Hello and welcome from Caravan Salon Dusseldorf. I've got in front of me a Dreamer campervan. It's a 541 centimeter long campervan, so a very small footprint. It's the D43 Up. It's called the White Addict. It'll cost in excess of 65,000 euros. The height, and that's including this tent in the roof, when it's down, is 272 centimeters and a width of 205. What it's got here is this wonderful light, a wonderful window in the roof, and as I come to the back, you've got a widthwise bed, and there's storage around it. So it's very, very small footprint, and I think that that's great for actually parking the thing, which is one of the biggest problems with motorhomes. In here we've got what I consider to be an enormous shower. You think I've got a bigger shower than that at home. Yes, you have, but your home, it doesn't measure 541 centimeters in length. This is absolutely brilliant as far as I'm concerned. I mean, particularly, it's in a vehicle like this. I'm going to get now into the shower. Oh, you can see me there, and they can see how much space there is. It's also to use the toilet. Don't think there's any problems there at all. It is aided by having a sliding door. Somebody told me it was quite difficult to actually get these things clean. Haven't had to do that yet. Haven't got a sliding door on. In fact, I haven't got a door at all on my in my campervan on the shower. And I did actually thinking about getting a sliding door. Right, here we've got a fridge, and I think that also is quite large considering how much space there is in the vehicle. And here we have a what do you call that? A wardrobe. More space here. And here what do we have? We've got two burners and a sink. Once more, note it's got a proper domestic drainage. Absolutely essential in a motorhome venue or camper RV, in my opinion. It's really difficult, I find, to actually get the blocked pipes fixed. And notice this also, there's proper drawers with proper walls, and that's another actually good sign. Let's have a look around here. There we have a forward-facing bench, large table for a vehicle of this size. Oh, I'm going to let this lady talk, and I'm going to actually show you around that right when she's talking.
We would like to thank you for your visit and wish you a pleasant evening. Mesdames et messieurs, il est toujours et avec cela, le Caravan Salon vous approche du but. Nous vous remercions de votre visite et nous vous souhaitons une bonne soirée. Signore e signori, adesso le 6 e adesso il Caravan Salon chiude per oggi. Vi ringraziamo per la vostra visita e vi auguriamo una piacevole serata. Damen und Herren, es ist 8 Uhr und damit wird der Caravan Salon voran. Wir danken für den Besuch und wünschen hoffentlich einen guten Abend.
So if we come to the rear here, what you can see, we can actually lift up this bed. We'll go to one side. Oh, you can see that. Sorry, so I can't lift the whole thing up. Oh, there you go. And you could then, you get a bicycle or something in there if you wanted to, or you get a couple of bicycles. This will go to the wall down there to actually, if you want to maybe separate the two areas. It could be a reason you want to do something like that. There's also storage under this side, and in here we have a gas cupboard for a gas cylinder. I find this particularly attractive, and the reason I find it particularly attractive is largely it's its size, but there's got a lot of positive other features to it as a vehicle as well. And those positive features are, I think the shower is really good. It's a size which is comfortable to use. Rear bed, I'm not at all keen, however, on that tent in the roof. I think, you know, if you're trying to carry 4 people around in a vehicle which is what, 11 square meters, less than in fact, I think you're really pushing it a bit, and it depends how long you want to actually stay in the vehicle. But look, lots of really good features about this camper van. I think that you know, Dreamer I think has really upped its game over the last couple of years. Earlier I didn't think much of Dreamer vehicles at all, but now I'm increasingly convinced about them. So this is me at Caravan Salon. My channel on YouTube is the largest channel about motorhomes. Yeah, bitter. And sorry, sort of put me off my stroke. I was trying to tell the lady just to continue doing her thing without any problems. It was nice of her. It was really nice of her just to actually offer not to come into the picture. So if you're interested in vehicles of this nature, then you might want to subscribe. Now I'm also extremely critical of some vehicles at times. I tell you the truth. If you're interested in advertisements, then this is not the channel to be on. Then you want to watch somebody who does something else. Here you'll get the unvarnished truth, the reality of the situation. Maybe I'm not as good as filming as some people are, or certainly aren't, but maybe not as good as speaking, but it's the reality of the situation from somebody who has lived in a campervan and a motorhome since 2011 and who travels around in it all the time, including visits to major events such as this Caravan Salon, CMT Stuttgart and others. So thanks for being here with me today. It's been great to have you, and all the best from me in Dusseldorf.